That's right, yo. Sick as shit forever. I'm here with one of the young gods, bro. I'm I'm here with one of the young gods, Lil Yachty, bro. Lil Yachty, what's up, bro?
What's up? What's up?
You're very like I get this vibe, right? Like you're almost like too cool for everything, but that's what kind of makes you like swag god, kind of, right?
Yeah, you know, that's what I do.
It's what you do. Can you break down your outfit? Like, what is this here? Is this like...
I'm on my 90s flow right now, my crisscross swag right now.
Right, but Chris Cross was wearing stuff backwards. Don't worry about it, it's before your time. Break it down, though, like Charlotte Hornets.
Yeah, oversized 90s Charlotte Hornets. You know what I'm saying? With the old school, you know?
Right.
With the loose jeans, you know what I'm saying? With the all-white 12s.
Right.
You can't get these in the store.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. These came out like too long ago.
Would you say you brought like braids back, kind of? Like, I feel like you're like part of the braid movement.
I mean, maybe the color hair, not the braids. You know what I'm saying? First person I saw wearing the braids was A$AP Rocky.
Right. Okay. I don't really know your music like that, right? I guess you can put me in the old head category, right? Like, break your style, break your flow down for the people, bro. You know, a lot of my fans, they're like from Armenia, the city of Glendale. We're really secluded. You ever heard of Glendale? Not really. Break down your swag, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Just melodic, fun, positive music. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Youth music.
Right.
Yeah.
Not a man of many words, are you?
I mean, you know what I'm saying? I answer the question, then that's all it is.
Right. Okay, cool. Can I freestyle a little something for you?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Lil Yachty in this motherfucker. We jam like Smuckers. That's a Keith Murray line. We come through and we always shine. Sick as shit forever. 1, 2, fuck a bitch like that.
That's hot fire.
Thanks, bro. Any last words? Lil Yachty, sickest guy forever.
I love all colored skin girls.
Yeah, this is Lil Yachty. I'm DJ Vikwan. Fuck you, bro.